What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going over XCN, the only coin in the entire crypto market that's not pumping right now. No, I'm just kidding. But Onyxcoin XCN is down 0.5% at 1.5 cents, $515 million market cap, 33 billion coins in circulation out of 48 billion. The all-time high on this was 3 years ago. I think we can easily overtake that, as I mentioned in every single video, and I backed that up with technical analysis. All-time low was over a year ago. XCN is available on quite a few markets. It looks like Coinbase right now is the highest volume, followed by HTX, LBank. There's 4 different pages of exchanges. So if you want it, you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, everybody, let's get into XCN right here. Yesterday, we talked about it. Indicators are starting to reverse. We have a huge cup and handle pattern. Actually, it's a lifelong cup and handle pattern since initial inception right here. So things are looking good in the longer term spectrum for you intraday traders, your day traders. Now's not the time to be day trading, my personal opinion. It's time to buy and hold until the end of the year, man. We're entering Q4. We're entering the parabolic phase for these altcoins, and you're just going to get wrecked trying to swing trade. So accumulation for the rest of the year. That's my goal or my plan. So indicators right now on XCN still are looking solid. We're still working towards that bullish crossover on the MACD. Compared to yesterday's video, we did get another lighter red candle showing that the bearishness is weakening, followed by the RSI starting to tail back up. Yes, we are seeing a little bit of deviation right here, but I'm really not too concerned about that. I think we're going to be seeing something like that with the relative strength index. WTX is looking great as well. We did bottom out right here at a local bottom, which we've bottomed out several times in the past. You can see at this general area before we saw some movement back to the upside. And the biggest one of all on the day chart is the stock RSI is still going vertical. I wouldn't expect any sort of capitulation until the stock RSI at least hit 96 and 97. So the overall momentum should just be sideways or up from this point on. I think we're going to be seeing up here very, very, very soon for XCN. I know people are like, oh, I've seen people like, hey, XCN isn't pumping, everything else is pumping right now. Well, everything can't pump at the same time, and this chart is playing out beautifully. I mean, if you look at the short-term fib from this high to this low, we are currently consolidating on that 382 area. We talked about that importance of maintaining above that 1.5 cents, and that's exactly what we're doing. And I think in the meantime, what we really need to focus on is when we start breaking out, getting over that 618 at about 2.5. So 2.5 cents, I think that's where XCN is going here in the short term. Longer term, I think we're going way, way, way higher, like $1 plus, I believe, if I remember correctly. If we drop from the all-time high to the low, you do have a 1, 2, 3, 6 area right here at 75 cents, and that's 1618 at $6. Now, I don't think we're going to hit $6. I think we're probably going to top out somewhere in this general vicinity, right above the 1, 2, 3, 6 area. So I would say $1 or $2. I mean, small market cap, only $515 million. It's easily doable, especially with a powerful coin like XCN. So yeah, it sucks right now. This coin's not pumping, but that's how they do it. They shake people out, and then once people are out, they pump it to the moon. So as long as you have diamond hands and you don't get shaken out, your first time in crypto, welcome to the welcome to the fun show right here. I remember my first time. Every time I dipped, I was just, oh, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? And overall, I've been in crypto since 2019. And the best thing to do, like, I've done day trading, I've done, swing trading, futures, all that. And the best method that I've come across is just buy and hold, and just ignore the dips. And in the long term, you will gain money. And like I mentioned, indicators are looking solid for Onyxcoin. Let's just keep an eye on the 1.5 cents. Next resistance 2.5. We break above 2.5, we're off to the races. I really, 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 just to end this video, I really love what we're doing right here. If you don't know what a cup and handle is, definitely Google it and you'll be excited as well. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.